So, tingnan natin. Binuksan na natin yan. Oh. Ito yung mga trending na ano nila, bag. So, tingnan natin kung kakasya yung lahat ng laman ng ating bag. We'll see. Kita pa ako.
The stress intensifies when her slipper accidentally falls into the river, heightening her fear. Amidst her tears, she repeatedly expresses her reluctance to die. Suddenly, her attention is caught by an advertisement for Deluxe Taxi Service with a message urging her not to give up but to seek revenge. Maria decides to call the number, and Dukai promptly arrives to pick her up. As they embark on their journey, Maria inquires about their destination, to which Dukai responds that they're headed for revenge. He then activates an audio recorder and prompts Maria to recount what has transpired. The flashback reveals that Maria is an orphan with intellectual disabilities, her mental age akin to that of a first or second grader despite being 18 years old. Eager to work, she bids farewell to her friends who had pooled resources to buy her a farewell gift. A social worker then escorts her from the church, informing her about a new job opportunity in a factory involving computer work. Excited about fulfilling her dream of earning to buy gifts for her friends, Maria eagerly signs a contract without fully reading it. Initially, everything goes smoothly with the manager, Jong Jun, being polite and accommodating. Maria even shares her proficiency in Excel during their meeting. However, once the social worker departs, Jong Jun takes Maria on a tour of the factory and assigns her the task of descaling fish, despite her protests. That her role was supposed to be computer-related, Jong Jun reassures her that computer work will follow.
Malaki pala.
Fearful of fish,
Susi ko dito.
at that moment, the factory owner, Ju Chen, arrived upon learning that Maria wasn't prepared to work. He violently grabbed her by the hair and forced her head into the fish water, taunting her about her fear. Following this, he viciously slapped Maria, causing her to collapse to the ground. His brutality escalated as he began assaulting her with various objects. To further torment her, they subjected Maria to extreme cold by placing her in a drum filled with freezing water and salt, sealing it shut with a sack. The tormentors then poured hot water on her after some time to revive her from near unconsciousness. Upon learning this arrest from the torture, Maria reluctantly agreed to work for Ju Chen, tearfully recounting her experience in his orphanage. One night, Maria managed to escape, seeking help from a police officer she encountered. However, the officer turned out to be corrupt and returned her to Ju Chan's factory, where she faced further torment. Ignoring her pleas for assistance, the officer callously doused her freezing body with water, warning her not to attempt escape again, insisting she consider the factory her home and work without causing trouble. To compound her misery, Jong Jun later subjected Maria to sexual assault, exacerbating her trauma and driving her to attempt suicide. After being admitted to the hospital, Maria managed to escape once more, making her way to a bridge with the intent of ending her life once again.
500 bili. 500 ba to? Second hand lang ito.
Off at the game station,
Mas maganda sana yung load. Kaya lang wala na. Bakbak na.
Maria begins playing the game, faced with a screen prompting her to decide whether she wants to seek revenge on the manager.
So, okay na siya malaki.
Opting for revenge,
So, hindi tayo binigo. Yun lang, bye.
Chairwoman of the Financial Council. This proposal was unanimously approved by the council members. As a result, Yoon Ju was expelled from the palace. Meanwhile, Lee Soo discovered that Hae-young had held a press conference alone. He exposed all the things President had done over the years. Then, on behalf of his grandfather and father, he apologized to the nation. Upon seeing the news, Lee Soo rushed to meet Hae-young. Seeing Hae-young taking all the blame alone, Lee Soo felt deeply heartbroken. But Hae-young hoped Lee Soo would not feel guilty. He knew that only by revealing the truth.
Ano po ito? Patangnan ako. May maliit.
Iba-iba po size.
Ulo. Mga natira pa na. Madami pa kasi.
Natatanggal siya.
Lagyan mo ng tubig kasi. Liit-liit.